In this session, we're going to just see how to set up a new playlist. What I have here open on the screen is ProPresenter. And what we're going to do is, see if I can get at this. Down in this corner is all the playlists that have been created thus far. We're going to make a new playlist for this coming Sunday. So what I'm going to do here is click on the plus, and I'm going to make a new playlist. So you can see it's now called New Playlist. That's really not what I want to call it. I really want to put the date in there. So I'm could either start typing right now because it's highlighted, and it would replace that name. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just click out of it once. So I still have this one named New Playlist. I can go back and click it. And if I right click it, I can choose Rename. And then I'm back to that stage there. So next Sunday is November 11th. So I'm going to name it November 11, 2018. So now I have it there. One more thing I would like to do, however, is to move it up to the top so it's ready to be the first one that people look at there. So I'm going to just click, and I can just drag it and drop it there at the top. So I now have a new space with nothing in it right now, but it's where I will build the playlist November 11th, 2018.